Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So literally in this video I'm going to be looking out to what is Metroopinion and how does it actually work. So Metroopinion is a website where you can actually complete a survey and be able to make money through the platform. So Metroopinion can also serve different kind of countries nationwide, and you will definitely see what kind of countries and if your country is actually included on this particular website, and if you will be able to complete a survey to make money from Metroopinion. On Metroopinion, you can actually earn up to $3 to complete a single task or to complete a single survey through the website. And through the Metroopinion, you can get invitation to complete a survey through your email after you sign up an account on Metroopinion, and then from there you'll be able to proceed on to complete a task through the task that you receive through the email, and you'll be able to earn money. And that does not mean that every task you are going to earn $3 from it. So there are different kind of tasks, of course, and with different kind of tasks you are going to make different kind of money and different kind of amount with each of these tasks. But trust me, you can get up to $3 on a task. That's what I actually tell you, and that is what it actually means here, which means they can get up to $3.5 for each task you complete or each survey you complete on Metroopinion. This is actually a safe way and easy payment method website for completing a survey website. And they also have 3 steps which you can actually follow to get paid and to make money through Metroopinion while you sign up within just 30 seconds. And once you sign up an account, they are going to match you to the right survey which actually fits to what you need, and how you can actually complete the task with ease. And they also provide your answer as anonymous. They are not going to share any of your information to any of the companies online or anywhere. So any answer you provide to the platform is actually anonymous, and you will definitely get paid for every kind of survey you complete through the website. So you can get paid upon the task you complete, and literally there is a minimum of payment that's around $25. Once you earn up to $25, you'll be able to get paid through Metroopinion. So scrolling down, it's actually easy to sign up on Metroopinion. So it's just 30 seconds to have access to Metroopinion dashboard, and then you will definitely be waiting for them to invite you to a survey to complete, and then you can make money from any survey you complete through the website. And it's actually very easy to make money online using all the power of Metroopinion. So you can also read through this and you'll be able to understand what Metroopinion is and see the kind of people who have already signed up on Metroopinion or who have used Metroopinion to complete a survey and make money through the platform. There are different kind of companies who uses Metroopinion to find the right people to sample their product or to use their mobile app or to give a feedback regarding a website. So there are different kind of ways which you can actually make money doing surveys. As it was stated here, it's a fun to earn money with Metroopinion. Company use your answer to create a better product. This means your answer make a difference to their kind of product. So in short, that means you're getting paid for every answer you provide to help out a company or any kind of company that reach out to you through Metroopinion website. Different ways to get paid are from PayPal, voucher, and donation as well, which is actually 3 methods to get paid. And sometimes you also get a gift card from something like Amazon or some other gift card that you might actually think it will definitely work for you as a payment method. So checking on, you also say that it's very easy for everyone to complete a survey. Even though if you work from home, it's very easy to complete a survey as long as you have internet access. And even though you don't have your computer with you, you can also make use of mobile device to complete a survey on Metroopinion and make money. How much can you earn by working from home through Metroopinion? You can get paid for every survey you participate in. It is a solid side income on Metroopinion, and they also make it very easy for everyone to work from home and make money through survey using the Metroopinion website. They also say we have some of the best survey on the market. You can see what you will earn in every survey invitation, so which means that you will be able to know how much you are going to earn on any survey they invited you to. And if that survey doesn't work for you, if it will be hard for you to complete, you can just ignore the survey and move on to another one. Or if the payout is actually small for you, then you can just move on to the next one, and there is no any barrier or any issue about that. So scrolling down, there are some countries where Metroopinion actually serve, and I'm very sure your country will also be listed in this. So there's the African country, Asia, Europe, and Oceania, as well as South America and North America. So I'm very sure once you check through all the countries, you'll be able to know that your country is actually listed on Metroopinion. And you can also reach out to them to see if you have any question, which is support@metroopinion.com. So scrolling down, you can scroll up, so you can sign up through here, or you can also use the login section here. So if you don't have an account, you'll be able to see where to sign up on Metroopinion. So clicking on this, you will see what's actually needed from you to sign up on Metroopinion. So here is the page, so you can just input your email here and your password, and you click on register here. And if you already have an account, you can just click on login section here, and you'll be able to have access to log into your Metroopinion account and start applying for, or start waiting for invitation, so that they will merge you with the right company who might actually need your service to complete a survey for them. So these are the things you literally need to know about Metroopinion and how it actually works, so that you'll be able to put everything in the right space and also understand how the platform actually works. You're gonna also check on the frequently asked question here, which is also very, very important to people who might have some kind of questions to ask. So how to create an account? So they have to create a profile, sign up on the home page. You can activate your profile by clicking on the link in your email. So once you put your email on the sign up section, which is the sign up here, so once you input your email there, then you'll be able to receive an email through your email account, which you provided on this space. So then you can click on that email through your email, then you'll be able to sign up your account on Metroopinion. You can also read through the terms and conditions, because it's also very, very important. You earn earnings and payments, so you can check through all the section. There is a lot you can check through to understand how Metroopinion works. So this is the surface section for the question and answer, as well as your account, some other valuable information which you would like to know before you get started with Metroopinion. So this is all I have for you in this video. And if you have any question, let me know through the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to reply to your comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. And don't forget to also like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to everyone who is actually looking for a way to make money through the survey website. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.